Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. Siemens is hiring student interns in India. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this internship by Siemens in this video. I'll also show you how you can apply to this internship program in Siemens. So before we see all those things, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And if you wonder what is under this special offers, it's discounted courses. So you can get some discounts on some of the good courses on the internet. You can just make use of it. So now let's get into the content of this video. So Siemens is one of the biggest industrial manufacturing company in the world. We all know how popular Siemens company is. They do not even need an intro like this, but I'll just share some things with you. So Siemens is one of the biggest industrial manufacturing company, as I said, and they offer a lot of products and services for different industries. I mean, they offer services for energy related industries, healthcare industries, and they offer products and services for transportation, logistics, and civil works. So they are almost in every industry. They are related to almost every industry in one way or another. They offer a wide range of products and services, but mostly they are based on electrical and electronics based things. So this is just a brief intro about Siemens. So now let's see details about this internship program. So as I said, they are hiring for student intern in India, and the location is given as Pune in India. And you'll be working in their internal services as a part of their internal services team. And here they have given about the job description. So you will be working under the Siemens company. So what you will do is you will work with other Siemens consultants, architects, project managers, and other internal and external interfaces to make sure that the customer succeeds in their objectives. So what they are saying is you are basically going to act as a mediator between the company and the customer, and you will get to know what are the things that customers looking for, and you have to make sure that customer is getting what are they looking for. So that is what you are going to do in this internship, and it's not like you are only going to do this thing. You have a lot more things to do in Siemens internship program. So you have to work on their projects, you have to work on their assignments, and you will be guided by your mentors. So you do not have to worry about all this stuff. You will be getting guidance in every step. In every step of internship, there will be someone to guide you, and you will have to actively participate in their practice sessions, and you will have to develop the knowledge about their industry, and you should be helping them in improving their processes. So that's the goal of every company. That's what they will be looking for whenever someone steps into their company as an intern or as a full-time employee. So that is the only thing that every company will look for. Are you going to make their process easier? Are you going to make their work a bit easier? Are you going to find some solutions for their problems? So that is the only thing that every company will look for whenever you go for an internship or a job. So that's the only thing. So make sure that you are developing skills to help them. If you do that, you will automatically get everything else. So that's what they have given about this internship program. And the division will be digital industries, and the company will be Siemens Industry Software Private Limited, as I said. And this internship program is specifically for students who have not yet graduated from their college. So this is only for students who are still in the college, who are still doing their degree program. So this is for them, and this is going to be a full-time internship program, which means if you get into this internship program, you will not get any more free time. You will be working on this internship program on a full basis. So if you are going to apply for this internship program, do not plan anything else when you get into that internship. So these are the details they have given about this internship program in Siemens. So now let's see how to apply for this Siemens internship. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And if you want to get more updates about internships, just go to answersQ.com website and click on internships here. And if you're using a phone, you'll be seeing three dots or something like that. Just click on it. On the drop down, you'll see internships. Just click on it and then you'll be taken to this page. and here you can see more internships that are available now. So Boston Consulting Group, BCG, is hiring interns in India, and Reliance has also released a notification regarding their Reliance summer internship program, and you can also find internships using the National Career Service portal in India. Xiaomi is hiring interns for graphic design, and DigiLocker internship program is available for you. It's a work from home internship program. DPIIT internship program at Ministry of Commerce and Industry is available for you. Goldman Sachs internship, Cisco internship is available for students and graduates, and you can just click on this second page and go to the second page and see more internships that are available now. So now let us get into the content of this video. Let's see how to apply for this Siemens student internship program. So I'll just leave a link in description. Click on that, and then you'll be going to answersQ website, and then you'll be able to access this official link. So what you have to do is, once you land on this page, just click on this apply button, and then you'll be taken to another page which will be a login page like this. So what you have to do is just click on this not a user, register. Click on it, and then give your email ID here, password, I mean set a password for your account, give your first name, last name, and select a language for yourself, and answer this question here, whether you want Siemens to consider them only for the portion which you apply, or you want them to consider for every open portion that's available worldwide in Siemens organization. So just click any one of them here, and then click on this register button to create your account first. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So once you register and create your account, you'll be automatically logged in, and you'll be directed to the student internship application page itself like this. And now what you have to do is, first you have to upload your resume. So click on file, upload here, and upload your resume, or else you can do it via Google Drive, Dropbox, or you can type in the resume. So whatever you want, you can just do it. So the first step is to give your resume, and note that they have given here the file types here, format, and the size should be up to 1 MB. So make sure that you follow these things here, and upload your resume first, and click on this next button. And the next step is to upload your cover letter. So this is an optional step. If you want, you can just click on file, upload here, and upload your cover letter, and click on this next button, or else you can just skip this process and just click on this next button here. And here you have to provide some details like your first name, last name, and just give a title for yourself. It's optional again, and give your preferred phone number, and click on this next button. And then you have to select your country of residence. You have to select your state, city, give your PIN code, and then you have to answer this question: have you ever worked for Siemens? So give yes or no for this question, and then click on the next button here. And then you have to give details about your education history. So just provide your education details here, and then click on this next button. And then you have to answer this question here: are you legally eligible to work in the country, that is India? So you have to answer this question whether yes or no, and then you have to give your country of citizenship, and click on this next button. And then you have to provide your date of birth, your marital status, and this is optional, and date of availability, again this is optional. You have to provide your gender, and then you have to select your religion, and again this is also optional. And finally you have to click on this submit button. If you want to make sure that you have given all the details perfectly, you can just move on to the previous section and see whether you have given it properly. So finally, after giving all the details and checking it, click on this submit button. So that's it. Now we have successfully applied to this student internship program in Siemens. You can see that here, thanks for your application, we have got it. So if you want to track your application, you can do that by clicking on this track my application. And if you are searching for more opportunities in Siemens, you can just click on this button and see more job opportunities or internships available in their company. And if you want to get to know more about internships across different companies in India, you can just go to answersQ.com. Here it is, and click on this internships, and you will be landing on this page. And here you will get more internship opportunities that are available in India across different cities, like BCG internship, Reliance internship, and graphic design internship at Xiaomi. So all these things are available for you. Make use of it. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.